All right, folks, what we got here is a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. All right, we're going to check the air filter. Okay, I will show you how to do the air filter. Right here, there are 8 T25s. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, just remove the 8. The screws will not come all the way out. They'll come out to a certain point and they will stop spinning. Don't have to raise it too far up in the air because you can slide the filter right out. All right, so take the 8 out. I saved you that time watching the video. Raise it up just enough, tilt it, and you can take the filter out right through the side. Gotta pinch it, grab it with your fingers. All right, and this is what the top of it looks like, and this is the part that you're going to look at the back. All right, what you do is you just spread them open a little bit. They look nice and clean and spotless, which this one does. This air filter is good. All right, got a couple little dirt here and there, but nothing major to worry about. All right, and that's it. Now we're going to put it back. Lift it up. That sits right in here, and this here, when you move it, it's going to sit right in the proper spot. See that? It'll sit perfectly. Then you go and you put your little 8 screws right back in. And these you go 1 on each side. So you draw it down kind of evenly. Almost like doing a wheel, like in a star pattern. And that is it, folks. Replace your filter at your favorite auto parts store, Walmart if you want. They sell Fram. And then you are good to go. All right, you just change them at every other oil change. Well, you check them every once in a while, just like I just did here. All right. And that's it, folks. I got one more in the back there I want to tighten up. That's it. 8 screws. Check the air filter. Good to go. All right, Volkswagen Tiguan. You got it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.